Hi children, now we have a lovely picture, lovely sentence, but a word missing. So you are going to find the correct word and insert it. Fill in with the correct word. Look at the picture, look at the sentence, and you put in a word that will make sense and the sentence is complete. But the word has to be correct. Fill in with the correct word. And after you fill it, you feel very happy. Then you read the sentence aloud. Let's look at our first picture. Here we are. What do you see? Where would you like to go on a holiday? To the beach. What do you do at the beach? You play in the sand, take some water, make lovely sand castles, and you feel very happy with your sibling, with your friends. Yes? Lovely. And what do you see here? There's a sun shining, lovely white clouds, beautiful sea, and the sea sand. Look at the sentence. We are asked to fill in with the correct word. We have a sentence here. There's a missing word. Let's look. The dash is bright. What is bright over here? Good. Sun. What's the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. Now the sentence is complete. We have picked the correct word and we filled in with the correct word. Let's read the sentence together. The sun is bright. Is the sun bright? Yes. The sun is bright. We put in the correct word. Are you happy? Good. Let's look at our next picture and learn to choose the correct word to complete the sentence. What do we see here? Playground or a little tiny park. Okay? Now what do you do at the park? You play. What do you find at the park? You find swing, seesaw, and other children playing other games. Let's look at the incomplete sentence. Let's find out what is the word that's missing. The dash are playing. Who are playing? Kids. Correct. The kids. Kids spelling K-I-D-S. The kids are playing. Where are they playing? They're playing in the park. Very good. So you chose the correct word. Please read the sentence aloud. The kids are playing. Good. Let's look at another picture and look at the incomplete sentence to pick the correct word. What do you see in the picture? A little baby. A little baby crawling. It's got a big smile on its face. Yes? Why is the baby crawling? Because the baby is not yet ready to walk. Let's look at the sentence. The dash is crawling. Who is crawling? The baby. Spell baby. B-A-B-Y. Baby. The baby is crawling. Are you happy? We put in the correct word. The baby is crawling. Good. Let's look at our next picture and learn to choose the correct word to fill in. The missing letter over there, word over there. What is in the picture? There's a bedroom and somebody is sleeping. Let's look at the sentence here. The dash is sleeping. Who is sleeping? The boy. How do you spell boy? B-O Y, boy. The boy is sleeping. The boy is sleeping. So the word missing is boy. If you are happy, we got the complete sentence here. Let's look at another picture and find out what word we are supposed to fill in to make the complete sentence. What we see here, somebody praying. The girl or a boy? Girl. This little girl is praying very hard to bless her parents. Look, the dash is praying. Who is praying? The girl. Spell girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. The girl is praying. So we put in the word girl and the sentence is complete and you are happy. The girl is praying. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look, there's a word missing. Let's find for ourselves. What do we see in the picture? 1, 2. 2 monkeys. What are they doing? They're swinging from branch to branch and they're very happy. Let's look at the sentence. The dash are swinging. Who is swinging? Monkeys. So we put down the word here. Monkey. Spell M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Monkeys. The monkeys are swinging. Oh, they're very happy. On the branch, they are swinging. The monkeys are swinging. Are you happy? Good. Let's look at another picture. And there's a word missing, we'll find. Look at this lovely little girl. Lovely hair she's got. She's eating. What is she eating? An apple. Crunchy apple. What is she doing? She is eating. The word missing here is eating. Spell E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. She is eating. So we put in the word eating. She is eating. Good. Let's look at another picture. Here we are with a lovely picture and a missing word over here. What picture is this? It's a picture of a cow. What did she give you? Milk. Yes. Let's read the sentence. The cow gives us milk. Very good. Spell milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. The cow gives us milk. You'll have to drink milk? Yes. Good. The beautiful cow. She's very happy to give us milk. The cow gives us milk. Let's look at another picture. And look at this. There's a word missing over here. What picture is this? It's a picture of a lovely apple tree. Come, let's pluck some apples from the tree. Let's look at the sentence. The tree is full of dash. The tree is full of, what is this fruit called? Apples. Spell apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Apple. The tree is full of apples. Would you like to see a tree full of apples? What will you do? Run and pluck some for yourself. Yes, the tree is full of apples. Let's look at another picture. Look, lovely picture and a word missing and we have to find the correct word. What picture is this? Picture of a lovely River. It's a river. Can you see on both the bank grass, trees all growing? River. What's the river full of? Water. And who lives in the water? Fishes. Let's read the sentence and find the missing word. The river is very long. Spell long. L-O-N-G. Long. The river is very long.